Hey, welcome again to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you this very cool text effect in Adobe After Effects. So let's get into it quickly. I created a new composition and have my text on it. Your text can be anything. Just right click on the text, go to create, select create shape from text. This is going to create a shape layer from your text and then automatically hide the text layer. With the new shape created from your text selected, go to fill up here and select none, hit OK, and go to stroke and select a color, hit OK. I'm going to make the stroke thickness to about 4, and then with the shape layer still selected, I'll go to add right up here and select trim path. Move your time indicator to about 2 seconds forward in time, and then expand the trim path option and create a keyframe for the end. Move your time indicator back to 0 and then change the value of the end property to 0. Select the 2 keyframe, right click on it, go to keyframe assistant and then select easy ease. Select the last keyframe right here, go to graph editor and then pull this handle right in. I'm gonna move this last keyframe at 2 seconds to 3 seconds. That will make it play a bit slower and smoothly. So if you preview this is what we have currently. Beautiful. If you throw in a solid layer, add a ramp or a fill color, this is what you're gonna have. Then animate the scale properties of the shape layer and you have this. Thank you again for following up on this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this cool text effect, if it's something you've known before, or show me what you are going to use this to create. If this kind of video is something that interests you, please consider subscribing at this point to my channel so that you get all the notification for all new videos I make weekly. My name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.